Hello, this is David D. Hilster. I am a critical thinker, dissident in science, and if you're not buying exactly what mainstream physics and cosmology are selling, then this is the place for you. There are literally thousands and thousands of scientists from around the world who have been working outside the mainstream for decades and who have identified problems, fixed those problems, and who are proposing new theories and models. You won't find anything like this on YouTube, so make sure you go right down below, right there, and click on the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be alerted to when our next video drops. Well, this is going to be a first for me and maybe the only time. An unboxing! Someone sent me their theory in a box. I'm going to open this up and it's going to be a theory and model of the entire... No, it's not. You might be wondering why I'm wearing this shirt from Brazil. Well, this is an unboxing from one of my favoriteest, absolutely love this guy, Andre Assis from Brazil. You can see 2014 Rio de Janeiro. Well, they're actually in Moscow this year, but I had to go look for something, and it was sort of like World Cup's coming up. The United States didn't make it, but Brazil is in, which is my second team, so I got to root for them. But anyways, this is from his book. What he sent me, I'm imagining, is from his book. It's a kit, or in Portuguese, how they say, kit. It's Os Fundamentos Experimentais e Históricos da Eletricidade, Volume 2. Hey, Andre, that Volume 2 is in English. Andre K.T. Assis. Well, of course, if you don't read Portuguese, it's really The Experimental and Historical Foundations of Electricity by Andre K.T. Assis. And what do I have, of course, is me on this box right here below. And honest to goodness, I have not seen this. I hope to do, I think I'm going to do an unboxing in Portuguese just because he's a good friend and that he can have people in Brazil look at this, because you can see it's from Correios, Brazil here. It's quite nice, actually. And you can see it right there, Correios, Brazil Post. I saw this in the mail and I was really happy that I got it. And so here we are. Again, I'm going to open it up and let's see what's inside. I have not opened this up ever. Honest to goodness. Oh, look at that. It's a lunch. Let me look. Let me give you a little better look here. It's a lunch. No, it's not a lunch. This is a container. Oh, look at that. What's inside? Nightly pass. This went all the way, of course. From Brazil to the United States here in Boca Raton, Florida. Right here. Sort of. They're very handy in Brazil. In fact, I've seen these kinds of plastic containers during Carnival up in Rio de Janeiro along the avenues to make beautiful decorations. They're made out of paper plates and all that stuff. You would never know. Creativity. You don't need lots of money to do things that are really incredible. So what do I have here? It looks like 2 weights. So these are cups, and you can sort of see them, and they're filled with some plaster or something like that. So I'll put these aside very carefully, of course. Maybe I'll even move this over a little bit, give myself a little bit more room like that. And, because I've never unboxed before, ooh, look at here. My goodness. I'm just going to get this box out of the way now. Yes. This is amazing. Everybody's like, what is it? Remember, these are all things for electricity. I got a book, and he better have signed it. Andre, if you don't sign it, I'm going to stop right here. It's the first thing I'm going to do right now. Did he sign the book? The Experimental Historical Foundation of Electricity. Oh, this is like a different one and stuff. Andre, you didn't sign the book. That's it. I'm stopping now. No, it's okay. When I see you... Oh, look at that. Look at this. On the back, he has all these different things and about experiments that you can do. So, let's keep going here. He didn't say the book. Tubes. Some tubes are sort of they're sort of rubberized plastic. And, of course, that is going to be something very important for electricity. Oh, a cork with a... If you look at that... Ah! A cork. There's another one. Oh, look at this. I think I'm going to get electrocuted. This is so cool. I mean it. This is great. What's this? Oh, look at that. It's already like constructed. I don't have to make it. There are two of them together. And it's got like... Andrea, are you going to make me like go out into the storm? Are you going to kill me? I hope not. Let's get this book out of the way. Again, this is just the unboxing. I'm not going to do anything because I promised him I would have this as a series on electricity. And, oh, look at that. It's a straw. Oh, look, I can do it here. You can see it here in this camera. It's a straw, so you can see the top of it. And sort of a metal. I think it's one of those tacks. I'm not going to take anything apart. And it's already got like holes in it and little... It's like... This is a lazy man's kit. You can't... Paper. Oh, papel para balas. Is that what it says? No. Baldes. I don't know what it says. It says, fazer sua festa mais colorido. Okay, flip. It's something, I think it's something that you can have. It's like a fringed kind of thing there. See that? Sort of a fringe kind of thing. And I would imagine that you're going to rub stuff with that, or that's going to be a detector because, you know, like the static electricity does stuff here. And look at this. Whoa. I mean, they've got to construct this together. I mean, you can see this is just all made by hand, which is so cool. I would imagine you know how this stuff sticks to everything. All right. And this is like, look at that. I mean, how curious are you going to be? Because I'm going to do all of these. Andre, this may take me a year. This is so cool. A square piece. Look at that. This is, look at, it's cut by hand. It's so cool. And look at this. It looks like a person or a monkey or, what is that? It is so neat. I love it. Oh, and it's got C, B, I, and O. What are all that stuff there? You can see that right there. C, B, I, and O. Ooh, it's got one of these thingies, which are one of those, you know, sort of. And we're getting to the end here of the unboxing. And I've got, oh, look at this. Gravity, of course. Gravity and electricity. And of course, if you have a model like we do, we can try to explain this stuff. So that's what we're going to be trying to do. So we're going to do all of these experiments. But here, let's keep going. Down in here, I've got another one of those clippy dudes. I think they're... Oh, wow, look at this. That is so cool. You can tell this stuff is all like electrical and all that stuff. And he has... Oh, it's in English. Look at that. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to read a little bit. Kits for the following books freely available in PDF form at, and he gives a website. It talks about Archimedes, the gravity center, then the first law of mechanics, the law of lever, so the center of gravity. I'm sorry, the experimental history of foundational electricity, Aperion, 2010. Kit for the book on Archimedes, isosceles triangles, and with indication of the points C, B, I, and O. Hey, I saw that right here. C, B, I, and O. And blah, 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 blah. And it calls it equal limits. It just lists all this kind of plumb line for experiments, blah, 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 blah. And he tells them all. So he tells you like where they are and all that. And I'm sure like it's in the book and stuff too. And the kit for the book on electricity, a plastic cup with gypsum dough and a paper fastener. That's what that is. Look, you don't have to make it. That's why I call it a kit. And you know what they say, use for the word in Portuguese for kit? Kit! It's the same word. Anyways, it goes through and through and through and through. This is just super. I am so happy, except I'm extremely upset for the fact that he did not sign this book. Which means, Andrea, you're going to have to come to one of our conferences here in the United States. Or next time in Brazil, I'm going to come by and see you, whatever. Or send me another one. Wait a minute. Let me just check. Did he do it? Did he? No! That's okay. This is truly exciting regardless. And that is, you too can get all this stuff. I would imagine I will tell you how down below, how you can get your kit as well. And you can write him or email and says, I want this for if you are a homeschooler, or if you are a person that simply wants to go back to the super basics. Why is this all important? Why is this kit here below important? Because we talk and talk about really everything about physics in a way that's all esoteric and theoretical and big words, and the theory is like this, and we have G1 particles and G2 particles like in our model. But sometimes you just got to put your hand in the mud and get yourself dirty. And that's what this is about. And we're going to take each of these experiments from this kit, and we are going to I'm going to put them right here, and it's going to be a great time. So, thank you so much, André, from Brazil. Muito obrigado, gente. Foi uma coisa, uma beleza, uma grande surpresa. And so, remember what I always say. Don't take what anyone says on faith. Get yourself a kit. Get critical, get thinking, get your hands dirty, do experiments. I'm Dave D. Hilster. I'm your science therapist. I need a speech therapist. Ciao for now.